Hello everyone, in this video we will see how NGDRS software can be used by citizens. First of all, open the application URL shown on screen to access the login page. Click on Register to create a new citizen, advocate, deed writer, user account. Subsequently, the citizen registration page will appear. Fill in the accurate information within the designated fields and then proceed by clicking the Submit button. Upon completing the registration process, navigate to the home page. From there, locate and select Citizen Login. As the login interface appears, input your assigned username, password, and the CAPTCHA code into their respective fields. To continue, click on the Get OTP button, triggering the generation of a one-time password that will be sent to your registered mobile number. Retrieve the OTP and enter it into the provided space. Lastly, confirm your login by clicking the Login button. Once logged in, to initiate the process of entering a new document, follow these steps. First, navigate to the Data Entry menu and subsequently select the Document Entry submenu. Within this submenu, locate and click on the New Document Entry button to start a new document entry. Moving ahead to the General Information section, enter total number of pages of the deed. Then proceed by selecting the appropriate article from the drop-down menu and choosing the document title from another drop-down menu. Following this, select the district and circle from their respective drop-down boxes. Move on to selecting the sub-registrar office name from the provided drop-down box. To proceed to the next step, click the Save Next button, finalizing the completion of the initial step. Navigating through the property details submission involves a structured series of steps. To initiate this process, begin by selecting the appropriate district, followed by the desired subdivision. Continue by choosing the specific area or locality, followed by the corresponding area type and local governing body. Next, proceed to the selection of the property usage category, which should align with the provided rates accessible through the View Rate button. Upon completing these selections, input the accurate area measurement of the constructed property. In the section dedicated to property attributes, choose the relevant attribute and furnish the corresponding details. Use the Add button to incorporate the property attribute. To ensure all changes are retained, click the Save button for the property details. For an insight into the property's valuation, selecting the Property Valuation button offers a comprehensive view. Should any modifications be necessary, accessing the Edit button allows for the update of records, which can subsequently be saved. Conversely, if the need arises to eliminate an entry, the Delete button facilitates the removal of the specific record from the system. This systematic approach ensures accuracy and control in managing property-related information. Continuing to the Party section, proceed to input the information for Party 1. Details involves a step-by-step process to ensure accuracy and completeness. Begin by selecting the appropriate party type and party category button. Essential information must then be provided. Indicate whether the party is an executor with a simple yes or no selection, and select an appropriate salutation. The mandatory fields, party full name and father full name, should be accurately entered. Date of birth is essential, followed by the choice of identification type ID and its corresponding description. Unique identification details come next. Input the UID, unique identification number, and select either PAN or Form 6060 first, then provide the necessary specifics. Indicate the gender and provide the mobile number. For the party, the party's address is the subsequent focus. Select the state, followed by district, taluka, and village in sequential order. Provide the complete address information. To safeguard the entered information, the Save button should be clicked. If data entry is to be abandoned, the Cancel option is available. Post-saving, any necessary modifications can be executed using the Edit button. In instances where an entry needs removal, the delete button facilitates record deletion. This structured procedure ensures the accurate recording and management of Party 1 details, while maintaining control over the information stored. Next, input the information for Party 2. Managing Party 2 details follows a systematic approach to ensure accurate and comprehensive data entry. Commence by choosing the appropriate party type and party category. Key information must be provided. Determine whether the party is an executor by selecting yes or no, followed by selecting a suitable salutation. Enter the party full name and father's full name, and input the date of birth. Identification particulars follow. Select the identification type ID and its corresponding description. Proceed by entering the UID, unique identification number, and based on the case, select either PAN or Form 6060 first, then input the requisite specifics. Additionally, indicate the gender and provide the mobile number for the party. The party's address details are the next focus. Begin by selecting the state, followed sequentially by district, taluka, and village. Complete the address entry accurately. To securely retain the input, click the Save button. If data entry is to be discontinued, you have the option to click Cancel. Once the party details are saved, modifications can be made using the Edit button. In situations requiring the removal of an entry, the Delete button is available to facilitate record deletion. This structured procedure ensures the precise recording and management of Party 2 details while maintaining the ability to control the stored information. Subsequently, click the Set as Presenter button to designate the party as the presenter during the document's actual presentation at the SRO office. Moving on to the Witness section, begin by selecting Salutation. Then, enter the full name of the witness along with their father's husband's full name. Proceed to select the type of identification, ID, and input its relevant details. Provide the address information as well. To save the witness details, click the Save button. Keep in mind that it is mandatory to include two witness entries. Proceeding to the fee calculation section, begin by selecting the property. Then, click on the Calculate and Save button to determine the stamp duty. Once calculated, click Save and Next to advance further. Moving on to the pre-registration summary section, simply click on Download PDF to initiate the download of the summary report. Continuing to the Upload Documents section, begin by selecting a file through the Choose File button. After making your selection, proceed by clicking the Upload Update button to complete the process. Moving on to the Data Submission section, simply click the Submit Data button to successfully submit the document. Proceed to the Appointments section and choose a date, followed by selecting a shift and specifying the time. To preserve these appointment details, click on the Save button. Here the process is complete. Thank you.